How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the Boolean operators in Bambu Studio. So basically, when doing this, the first thing that you want to do is to add your objects intertwined with each other, similar to this one. And I'm going to remove this and actually change this into something like a sphere. Let's go ahead and make this a bit bigger, and then let's intertwine them together. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to just select both objects on the object right here, right click on it, and then you want to click on merge. Now, additional options will show up, and basically we now have the ability to select the mesh boolean. Now, of course, we have different operators right here. We have union, intersection, and subtraction. Basically, for the union, it will just combine both objects together. And for the intersection, you first have to select the parts. So in my case, I'm going to select this one, and then we are going to intersect with this one right here. And if we click on the execute button, it will then simply do the Boolean operator that we have done. Basically, it will look something like this. It will only keep where our objects has intertwined with each other. Now, obviously, there's a lot of, or there's many uses to this. We also have something like subtraction. And then let's click on the execute button and it will initiate the operator or the Boolean operator. So you could just experiment with this, but basically that's how you use the Boolean operators for Bambu Studio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.